Hello friends, Sachin Gupta here. This is the weekly podcast on commodity market where we are going to discuss about the prior week market outlook, and after that we'll discuss about the current week market strategy. So let's start with the bullion market first. In the last week, gold prices opened into the positive territory, but after that we have seen the further selling pressure from the higher levels. Gold prices slipped almost 2 to 3% during the week, and finally the price has closed near around 47,345 levels on the Friday trading session. If we talk about this lower side support level, so yes, there is an immediate support which comes around 47,000 levels, which is an immediate psychological level. And if gold prices manage to sustain up below that levels, then we may see the further downside momentum till the level of 46,700 and 46,500 during the week. However, on the higher side, if price manage to sustain above 47,800 levels, then the upside momentum to be continued till the level of 48,300 and 48,500 levels. Uh, Now come to the silver. So silver has also started a week on a positive note, but after that we have seen some further selling pressure in the silver as well. And in the Friday trading session, finally the silver prices recovered almost 1% and managed to close near around 69,184 levels. On the downside, there is immediate support which is around 68,000 levels. However, on the higher side, 70,000 is the immediate resistance for the prices. If either side breakout will like either side breakout will be decide the market direction in the silver. If silver prices manage to sustain above 70,000, then the rally could be extend till the level of 72,000 levels as well. However, on the downside, if price managed to sustain below 68,000, then on the lower side we can see the 67,000 and 66,500 levels. Now come to the base metals. So in the prior week, the base metals prices shown a good upside momentum. And if we talk about the copper, so yes, we have seen the continued upside momentum throughout the week, and price open are near to the range of 605 and 610, and after that this rally has extended till the level of 643.35 levels. That was the high on Friday trading session, and finally the copper prices managed to settle near around 640.35 levels with almost half percent gain. So we have seen the good upward momentum in copper, and copper is trading almost near to its lifetime high. If price managed to sustain above 640 levels during the week, so this week also the copper prices could continue the upside momentum till the level of 650 and 655 levels. However, on the downside, if again price sustained below 630 levels, then on the lower side it may test the immediate support which is around 620 levels. Now come to the nickel, as nickel has also shown a good upside momentum, but after a continued 3 days upside momentum, we have seen the further profit booking in the last two trading session of the week, and in Thursday and Friday trading session, some profit booking has been seen in the nickel prices, and nickel prices settled near around 1343.80 levels with almost half percent downside move on the Friday trading session. If you talk about the support and resistance, so yes, there is an immediate support which is around 1320 levels. However, on the higher side, if price managed to sustain above 1355, which is an immediate resistance, then we may see the more upside momentum till the level of 1370 and 1380 levels. Now we'll talk about the zinc. As zinc has also shown a good upside momentum without enabling a selling pressure. We have seen the continued upside momentum throughout the week, and price managed to close near around 224.50 levels. On the higher side, price managed to sustain above 226 levels, then the upside rally to be continued till the level of 235 and 238 levels. However, on the downside, if again price slipped below 218 levels, then the downside momentum uh, could be seen near to the level of 213 and 210 levels, as on the downside 210 is a strong support in zinc prices. Now come to the energy sector. So in the energy, like natural gas prices traded into the range, and there was an immediate level that was around 200. That was considering as a immediate support for the counter. However, on the higher side, the prices were unable to sustain above 222 levels. So 220 would be the immediate resistance to be considered it as a immediate resistance for this week. And if price managed to sustain above 222 levels, then the upside rally to be continued till the level of 235 and 240 levels. However, on the downside, if price sustained below the level of 200, then we will see the further downfall in the counter till the level of 190 and 185 levels. Now come to the crude, as crude has also shown a good upside momentum throughout the week, or on the Friday trading session it has made a high of 4347 and finally managed to close near around 4331 levels with more than 2% gain. So for this week also the crude oil price is looking bullish on the charts, and we are expecting the more upside momentum in crude oil prices for the week till the level of 4600 and 4700 levels. However, on the downside there is an immediate or strong support which is around 4100. If in case price sustained below the level of 4100, then only we will see the further downfall in the counter till the level of 4000 or 3970. However, on the higher side, we are expecting the 4600 and 4700 rally in during the week. Thank you and happy trading session.